So data types in MySQL. So as we know, we have something like integer, real, character, and etc. So we'll start with numeric data type. In C language, if you know C language, we have in numeric we have int, long int. Integer occupies 2 bytes and long int occupies 4 bytes. So here we have tiny int, small int, and medium int, and etc. Tiny int and a very small integer, it can be signed or unsigned, and it takes only 1 byte for storage. Small int 2 bytes and medium int 3 bytes for storage. And int is your normal sized integer. Any int can be either signed or unsigned. So int requires 4 bytes for storage. We have big int and requires 8 bytes for storage, and we can specify width of up to 20 digits. Floating point number, and that cannot be unsigned, and it requires 2 bytes for storage, whereas the decimal precision can go to 24 places for any float type of data. Double requires 8 bytes for storage, and decimal precision is up to 53 places. So we have decimal. Each decimal corresponds to 1 byte, and defining the display length and the number of decimals is required. And we have bit used for storing bit values into any table. M determines the number of bit per value, and the range is of 1 to 64. BOL is Boolean and used only for true and false conditions, and 1 for true and 0 for false. So next, date and time. So in this we have year. Year value can be either 2 digits or 4 digits, like 99 or 1999, and the default is 4 digits. It takes 1 byte for storage. And DATE, and the values are range from 01011000 to 99991231, and the format is YYYYMMDD. Takes 3 bytes for storage. And time, look at the range, and date time, look at the value, and the format is YYYYMMDD, and HMS, hours, minutes and seconds. It takes 5 bytes plus based on your fractional seconds. Timestamp, look at the range, string data types, and to hold plain text and binary data like files, images, and etc. So we have a pattern matching operator, something like operator and all, which we'll be discussing later, and for searching and comparison of strings. So we have CHAR, the maximum size is 255 characters. VAR, CHAR, variable character, variable length strings. Tiny text, can have a maximum size of 255 characters, and here the size is the number of characters to store. Text, TXT, the maximum size is 65,535 characters, and medium text long text. Binary, here the size is the number of binary characters to store, and they are fixed length strings. Similarly, var binary, variable length string. Enum, enumeration. Each column may have one of the specified possible values and it uses numeric values 1, 2, 3 to represent string values. It takes 1 or 2 bytes, depend on the number of enumeration values. SCT, set, takes 1, 2, 3, 4 or 8 bytes depending on number of set members. It can store a maximum of 64 members. So binary large object data types, BLOB, that can hold a variable amount of data. In this we have tiny, BLOB and BLOB, medium and long. Look at the maximum size. So we have a special kind of data type used to hold various geometrical and geographical values like geometry, point, polygon and etc.